where would a person find a strategic objective, right? So I'm a buyer. I'm looking to get hired on with a company. I'm going to apply for a job. I'm going to go to a job interview, and I want to look like I'm smart, like I know what I'm talking about when I talk about this company. Where would I find a strategic objective that would help guide me during that interview to show them I know what I'm talking about and I'm the right guy for that person, that position?
One of the main ways I was able to find mine was online. So a lot of companies do try to, well, not a lot, but some do try to have their strategic objectives known on their website. I was able to go into like About Us and find it. For example, for Moog, strategic objectives are listed there.
And do you see that those strategic objectives that they find online align with your actual day-to-day strategic objectives?
Yeah, yes, it does. So, for example, one of ours is to provide customized parts for our customers, or customized interface for our customers, because we do a lot of research and development. So, we're original equipment manufacturer. So, whatever somebody needs custom design, we do it. So, going back to a line of the tactical objectives, right? So one of the things too is, how is our supply base made, right? It's different for different companies, right? For us, our main strategic objective is to provide a highly customized product. Well, what does that mean for suppliers? They also have to be able to meet those requirements, right? Do they have machine shops that can meet our spec? Do they have the quality processes in place, right, that can meet our objectives? Do they have the know-how to do it, right? And they also got to be, since I said it's research and development, they also got to be flexible, right? And when we're giving them prints, to be able to provide feedback and really truly be a subject matter expert in their field as well, because we're relying on them. Right. It's a trust thing. So being able to, understand your strategic objectives, what is your company's major goals, and where at my level can I help contribute and align to that?